Some bad things will disturb your good feelings, such as your iPhone storage is full and won't turn on. Then you cannot take photos or chat with friends. That's terrible, right? Take a breath. This video brings you 2 useful methods to easily troubleshoot your iPhone storage being full and not turning on issues at home. Method 1. Clean iPhone storage on your computer. It's simple to get this done. Just connect your iPhone to the PC with a working cable and click Trust this computer on your iPhone. Then, you'll be located to your iPhone's internal storage. Enter it to get to a file called DCIM. You can delete the unnecessary videos, pictures, and files from there. Method 2. Use a professional tool with 100% success rate. Actually, the first method cannot solve your iPhone not turning on issues. Now, you can ask an official and professional tool for help. That's Woo-Techie iPhixer, which can fix all kinds of iPhone software issues. The good news, this tool can work with all models of iPhone devices. Step 1. Download and install Woo-Techie iPhixer on your computer. Then, open the tool and select Standard Mode from the 4 options and connect your iPhone device to the PC. Step 2. Follow the instructions to put your iPhone into recovery mode. It will tell you the certain operations depending on your iPhone model. Step 3. Download the latest firmware version. Just click the download button below. You can install it on your iPhone, which can help fix your iPhone issues en route. Step 4. Finally, just tap the start icon and just wait for the iPhixer tool to do its repair job. It won't take too much time. Your iPhone should automatically turn on normally. Remember to clean your iPhone storage on your computer first. Then use the above steps to fix your iPhone not turning on, since some storage should be left for iPhixer to resolve your problem. Okay, now your iPhone must turn on normally with the help of the iPhixer tool. Just enjoy it. If your iPhone has any other software issues, you can also turn to Woo-Techie iPhixer. Just freely download and install this tool, which will never let you down. Okay, so much for today.